All right, guys, welcome back to the homestead. It's June 23rd. It's a little late, but it's been over 110 days since we planted these potatoes. I'm going to be using the middle buster on my tractor to kind of do the quick and dirty way of plowing these. I already did this one row here, and then my children are going to be awesome and use this as a Father's Day gift, and they're going to start picking up the potatoes and putting them in the wheelbarrow for us. So let's get going. No, they're all for us. So guys, while the kids are doing that, I'm gonna explain how and why I did what I did. So what we've got over here is a middle buster plow. Some people call it a potato plow just specifically for this reason, but not actually for this reason. The reason they call it a potato plow is because they use it to plow the initial trench when they're planting the potatoes. But I've also been like racking my brain on how to harvest these, because it's going to be like an intense amount of work trying to dig it up with a shovel. Just wasn't very practical. So I saw a different guy on YouTube using one of these to harvest their potatoes, and man, it really did rake them up. There's going to be a few that are nicked or cut open. We'll look at those once the harvest is done. But for the most part, I think we're able to expose them with minimal damage to the potatoes. So let's finish the harvest and we'll get going. Hey guys, so we finished our harvest. It was pretty successful this year, at least in my opinion. Pretty good for the first year. We didn't really do a ton of hilling. We also didn't do a ton of fertilizing, but I did do some. And I think next year we'll do even more. Take a look at what we've got down here. So there's quite a bit of potatoes. You guys can see there's still a few seed potatoes that we're not going to use. We're just going to give them to the pigs. We've got some Pontiac Reds. We've got some banana finger potatoes. Some of these purple, I forget their name, I'll put it down in the description. And plenty of our white. Some of them got the skin cut when we were doing that. We'll use them first. The rest we will clean off and store in a dark place. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, catch us on our next adventure. If you like the channel, please give us some feedback on what you'd like to see next, and we'll see you on the next go round. Bye. All right, start picking, guys.
I don't know what to do.
Just pick up potatoes and put them in the wheelbarrow.
You do this and you put them there.
Wait, Jackson, shut up. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dad.
Harley.
I was in my room.
I was cleaning inside. All right, let's get going. These right here are the special purple all the way in the middle.
Oh, the brown? That's like the same.
Yeah, those are different though. These are different. They're purple even on the
Ew, there's a tick! No.
There's
no.
ticks, Harley. We live in
And I don't like them. I am not getting bit by one. I'm
You
not
can use the shovel if you don't want to put your hand out.
Ew, some of them are black.
Don't put those in.
There's like a bunch.
These are naturally dark like that, I think.
No, those are the seeds. Oh wait, no, those are the good ones from Maisie. Those are the purple ones. Let's keep those.
There are a couple of black ones that were seeds in here.
Yeah, definitely don't pack the seed ones.
There are so many freaking potatoes.
I know, it's a lot. Once the second pass goes through, that's where the deep ones are too.
The big ones?
What is going on with this potato?
I don't know.
Look at it.
Oh, that's weird. So Maisie, yours?
They have dirt in them.
Yeah, we'll have to use them right
That's
away.
what makes them good for you.
Sweetie, they're basically all dirt.
What?
Okay, so actually don't do that.
Why?
Don't throw them.
Why?
I have a feeling
bruise
that
them.
It'll bruise them, and then they'll rot faster, and we won't be able to store them.
I don't want the fun in this.
You get to eat them?
I don't.
You like French fries?
There's like bugs falling on me.
It's called sweat.
It's not sweat. Are you stupid? There's actually bugs falling on me.
Check this out. Alright, I'll get the big ones, okay?
I did a lot.
I've done
Just do it until the job's done, okay?
I don't want to be over here.
No one does, Harley. Just shut up. It's all Dad wanted.
Teenagers are really fun.
How do I know if it's molding?
That's a molding one.
I think it's molding.
It's not gonna kill you.
Harley, you wipe your ass every day. That's way grosser.